for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Mercedes G-Class. Not many SUVs can claim a hand-built luxury interior inside a battle-tested, hand-built body. In fact, only one can. Extraordinary capability and ongoing enhancement have made the G-Class one of the world's top off-roaders for the past 3 decades. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, running boards, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, heated steering wheel, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, security system, fog lights, heated front seats, CD player, compass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.